Hey, I've got a couple of unboxings to do, but we're going to start with this particular product here. This is an 1.25 inch rubber plug, and I may be needing this for the valve body in my inflow pool cleaner because I have to block off 4 of the ports in it, and they're 1.25 inches. Now, I want you to take a good look at the label because I know people like looking at labels. This is a T-handle boat plug. Brass and stainless steel. The reason I got this is because it's going to be underwater most of the time. And my assumption is this is going to plug that hole. You're going to turn this up and it's going to seal it off good. Pretty simple, pretty easy, right? Let me go out and show you exactly where I'm going to put these. So here's where we're at right now. This is the pool. It's about to be replastered and refinished. Okay? And there used to be holes in the floors where pop-up heads would come up and clean the bottom of the pool. Many people recommended that I get rid of those. Over here, what we're looking at this is the valve body that actually controlled this. Okay, and let me open it up and show you what I'm talking about here. Now, in the bottom of this valve body, you're going to see 6 holes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 of the holes have an X on them, and 2 of the holes have a check mark. The 2 of the holes that have a check mark are going to the returns, and the 4 of the holes that have an X on them are actually going out to the in-floor cleaner heads, which no longer exist. So I believe that's 1.25 inches. So I bought these plugs. Let me just test fit them, make sure they fit. And they do not fit. They do not fit. So maybe I need 1.5 inch plug. So these are going to have to be returned. But anyway, they look like really good quality plugs. I would definitely check them out. It says it's 1.25 inch, but that's a 1.25 inch hole there, and it does not fit in it. Let's give this a little bit of a tighten up here and see if it makes any difference going into that hole. Nope, doesn't matter. All right, well, thanks for watching, but still a good product.